Amahoro Dramas, ladies and gentlemen, nothing I love more than a beautiful representation of what culture is. These are Amahoro Dramas all the way from Dzaleka camp, and this is of Burundi origin. Let's give it up for Amahoro Dramas. Lovely to see you guys engaging in all the fun. Yes, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Thank you so much, Amahoro Dramas, for being a part of Lake of Stars 2024. How